Hi viewers, I'm Nadeem. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Farooq Academy. Today we will discuss chapter number 7, exercise 7B, book D2, volume and surface area. This exercise is divided into two parts. Today we will discuss part number 1. So coming to the question number 1. Find the volume of the following cones. So you can see in your textbook the different shapes have been given to you and you have to find the volume of a cone. Like this, a cone is given to you. You have to find the volume of the cone, that is your slant height, and that is your perpendicular distance which is given to you. So here that is your 14 centimeter, you can see in your textbook, and that is your 6 centimeter. So we can say that height is, that is your h, and that is your r. So it means these two things are given to you, that is r is equal to 6 centimeter and h is equal to 14 centimeter, and we have to find the volume of cone, that is cone. Since we have a formula, that is volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So putting the values, that is the value of pi is 22 by 7 and the r is 6 and the value of h is 14. So after simplification you can get 528 centimeter cube. So that is your required result. Now coming to the B part. In B part, once again another diagram is given to you. You can see like this, that is your given cone, that is your 5 centimeter, and area of the base is area of base is equal to 154 centimeter square. So since it has been given to us that area of base is 154, and since we have a formula volume of cone, because we don't have the value of r. If first I find this the value of r, so then we can easily calculate the volume of cone. So since first I have to write that to find r, since base area or area of base is equal to pi r square. So the area of base is given to us, that is 154. The value of pi is 22 by 7 and r square. So by using cross multiplication, 154 multiplied by 7 divided by 22, it will give you r square. So the value of r is 49. So we need the value of r under root. So 7 centimeter is your value of r. Since that is as volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So putting the values, 1 by 3, the value of pi is 22 by 7, value of r is just you have calculated, that is 7, and the height is 5 centimeter, which is given to us in your figure. So it means that is your h. So after simplification you can see that is it will give you 256.2 256.7 centimeter cube. So that is your if I round out, after rounding, 257 centimeter cube is your required result. Similarly, another diagram you can see. That is yours in C part. The cone is given like this, that is your 7 centimeter, and this slant height is approximately, that is given to you, 14 centimeter. So it means that the radius, that is your diameter, we can see in your fig. So the diameter is equal to 7 centimeter, but the r is 7 divided by 2. You will get the value of r is 3.5 centimeter. So that is your 3.5 centimeter is the radius. So height is given to you, that is 14 centimeter, and we have to find the volume of a cone. Since volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, putting the values, the value of r is 3.5 square and the value of h is 14, or simplification you can say that 179.67. so by rounding it is near about 180 centimeter cube is your required result. Similarly, another diagram you can see. Another diagram is your D. You can see if you have a cone like this, and this cone is, that is your 28 centimeter, and circumference of the base is circumference of the base is equal to 132 millimeter. So since that is circumference of a base, circumference of a base is equal to 2 pi r. So it means 2, the value of pi is, and r we have to first, that is your D portion, first to find r, since it is given to us. So the circumference of a base is 132. So by using cross multiplication, 132 multiplied by 7 divided by that is 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4 r. We need the value of r. 132 multiplied by 7 divided by 44. So the value of r is 21 millimeter. So with the help of this r, we are able to find volume of a cone. Since volume of cone is equal to, we have a formula 1 by 3 pi r square h. So putting the values, 1 by 3, the value of pi is, and the value of r is just we have calculated, and h is given to us, that is 28. You can see in your figure, that is your h. So now coming here, you can see here. So after simplification, you can get 12936 centimeter cube is your required volume of the cone. Now coming to the question number 2. Question number 2. In question number 2, a cone has a circular base of radius 8 cm and volume of 320 pi centimeter cube. Find the height of the cone. So it means we have to find the height of the cone, and it is given to us that is radius is 8 centimeter and volume is 320 pi centimeter cube. Since we have a formula that is volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. The value of pi is that is 22 by 7. The value of r is 8, and the height is we have to find, and the volume of cone is 320 pi. So here at left hand side we have a pi, so we don't want to put the value of pi because pi will be cancelled with this, as this will be cancelled with this. So you can easily, by using cross multiplication, you can write 320 multiply by 3, so 64h by removing the square. So we need h, 320 multiply by 3 divided by 64, so the value of h is 15 centimeter is your required result. Coming to the question number 3. Question number 3. A cone has a base area 20 meter square and a volume is, it means that is base area that is base area is 20 meters square, and the volume is 160 meter cube. Find the height of the cone. Since base area of a cone is equal to, since base area of cone is equal to pi r square. So with the help of this formula we can find the value of r. For example, the value of r is the base area is 20 and 22 by 7, that is r square, cross multiplication 20 into 7 divided by 22. You need r square, but we need r. So after simplification you can get that is 6.36 and 6.36 under root. So the value of r is 2.52 meter. So that is the value of r, but we have to find the value of h first. Now to find h, since we have a formula that is volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So putting the values, volume of cone is given to us, that is 160. 1 by 3, the value of pi is 22 by 7. The value of r is just, we have calculated 2.52 square, and h, we have to find the value of h, that is h. So by using cross multiplication and removing the square, you can write as 160 multiply by 21, 7 3s are 21, and removing the square, and the value of h is, and that is 139.7088 h, but we need the value of h, that is 160 multiplied by 21, you will get 33 60 divided by 139.7088. So the value of H is 24.05, which is approximately equal to 24 meter. So that is your required result. Coming to the question number 4. Question number 4. A cone has a height of 14 centimeter. It means the height is 14 centimeter and volume of cone is 132 centimeter cube. Then find the radius of the circular base. Radius of the circular base, that is R, we have to find. Since we have formula, that is volume of cone. Volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So volume is given to us, that is 132. 1 by 3, the value of pi is 22/7. R is we have to find, and the value of h is 14. So after simplification, you can write multiply by 21, and this one is 22 multiply by 14. You can write as that is 22 multiply by 14, but we need the value of r square. So 132 multiply by 21 divided by 22 multiply by 14. So the value of r is after simplification, that is the value of r is 3 centimeter. So by using calculator you can get. So now coming to the question number 5. Question number 5. A conical funnel of diameter having 23.2 centimeter. Okay, diameter of conical funnel, diameter conical funnel, that is equal to 23.2 centimeter, and so its radius will be equal to 23.2 divided by 2. You can get 11.6 centimeter. So the height, that is depth of funnel, that is equal to 42 centimeter. So since volume of water, that is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So putting the values 1 by 3, the value of pi is, and the value of r is just 11.6 square, and the height is 42 centimeter. So after simplification you can get 5920.64 centimeter cube. So that is your 5920.64 centimeter cube. So volume of water. So that is your volume of water. Now cylindrical tin. Now we can consider the cylindrical tin. So the diameter of cylindrical tin, now cylindrical tin diameter, that is 16.2 centimeter, and so its radius r will be equal to, you should divide by 2, 8.1 centimeter. So volume of tin will be equal to, since volume of tin is equal to pi r square h. So you can we have to solve it. What is the volume of tin, which is that is we have calculated, that is the volume of water or volume of tin, that is or water. So that is equal to 59 we have calculated 0.64, and pi, the value of pi is 22/7, and the value of r is 8.1 square, and the h, because we have to find the value of h we have to write with the same. So after simplification, you can see here after simplification you can see here that is 59 to 0.64 multiplied by 7 is equal to 1443.42 h, but we need the value of h. So you can see that multiply by 7 divided by 1443.42, so the value of h is 28.7 centimeter. So that is your required result. Coming to the question number 6. Question number 6. A conical block of silver has a height of 16 centimeter and a base radius of 12 centimeter. How many coins 1/6 centimeter thick and 1 hole 1/2 centimeter in diameter can be made by melting the silver? Okay, height of conical block, that is height h of conical block is equal to 16 centimeter, and radius is equal to, so divide, that is given, that is having radius 12 centimeter, it is given to us 12 centimeter. So since volume of conical block, since volume of conical block is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. So putting the values, the value of r is 12 and height is 16. So after simplification you will get 2413.714 centimeter cube. That is your approximate result. Now volume of coin is, because we have to find the volume of conical block, then volume of coin, and then we will divide both and we will get how many coins can be made from it. So the volume of coin is we have pi r square h. So the value of pi is, and the value of r is, here the r is given for coin. In case of coin, height is, that is 1/6, and but the r is that is 1 whole 1/2, that is equal to 3/2, because you can see here in here, that is the diameter is equal to, that is 1 whole 1/2, which is equal to 3/2. It is given when we read the statement 3/2, but we need r, so the value of r is 3/2 divided by 2, so you will get 3/4. So you can put here 3/4 square. So After simplification, you can write as that is 22 by 7, that is 3 3s are 9 by 16, 1 by 6, and after simplification you can get 2946 centimeter cubed. So that is the volume of coin. So number of coin you should divide. Therefore, in number of coins, how much we can made number of coins, that is equal to, you have to divide volume, and that is 142. We have this 714 divided by, just you have calculated, that is 0.2946. So you will get 8193 coins can be made. So that is your required result. Coming to the question number 7. Question number 7. Find the curved surface area of each of the following. Curved surface area. We have to find the curved surface area. The coin, you can see the cone like this is given to you. That is your in A part. That is your 4 centimeter, and slant height is 7 centimeter. So it means we have to find the, so you can write as that is your, it is represented by L because it is your slant height. So L is equal to 7 centimeter, where R is equal to 4 centimeter, and we have to find the curved surface area, that is curved surface area we have to find. Since curved surface area of cone is equal to pi RL. Okay, what is the value of pi? You know that the value of pi is 22 by 7. So 22 by 7, and the value of R is 4, and the value of L is 7. So after simplification you can get 88 centimeter square. That is your curved surface area of the coin. Similarly, if we solve the B part, you can see, so that is your required result. Coming to the B part, in B part you can see that is your another cone which is given to you, and in this once again the diameter is given, that is 28 millimeter, and slant height is 30 millimeter, and we have to find the curved surface area. So you can see here the diameter is 28 millimeter, but you need R. 28 divided by 2, you will get 14 millimeter, and the slant height L is 30 millimeter. It is given to you. So write neatly. So curved surface area we have to find of cone. Since we have a formula, curved surface area of cone is equal to that is pi RL. So putting the values, and we have to simplify it. So after simplification you will get 1320 centimeter square. That is your curved surface area. Similarly, in C part you can see another diagram is given to you, that in C part the cone is given to you like this. Diagrams is not made by me very much accurately, but I'm trying to do so. That is, slant height is 25 millimeter and circumference of the base is circumference of the base is equal to 132 millimeter. 132 millimeter, it is given to us in your textbook. You can see that is 132 millimeter. So it means we have to find the curved surface area. So circumference of base is, it means first we have to find the value of r, that is the L is slant height is, that is your it is given, that is L is equal to 25 millimeter, and the curved surface area of cone we have to find. But before we first to find r, first we have to find the value of r. Since it is given that circumference of base is equal to, we have a formula, that is 2 pi r. So we have to find the value of r, and this one is given 132 by using cross multiplication. 132 multiplied by 7, we need r divided by 88. So the value of r is 21 millimeter. So the value of r is 21, but we need the value of curved surface area of the cone, and that's why you can see here since we need the value of curved surface area of the cone, curved surface area of cone is equal to pi rl. So the value of pi is, and the value of r is just, you have calculated that 21, and the L is slant height is 25. So after simplification you can get 1650 millimeter square. So that is your required result. Coming to the question number 8. Question number 8. A cone has a circular base of radius 14 centimeter and total surface area 1012 centimeter square. Find the slant height of the cone. Take pi to be 3.142. So it means that is your question number 8. The radius of base, that is r, is equal to 14 centimeter, and total area is equal to 1012 centimeter square, and we have to find the slant height L. So total surface area, since we have a formula in this case, that is total surface area. Since total surface area is equal to pi rl plus pi r square. So total surface area is given to us, that is we have to put here 1012. The value of pi is 3.142, and the value of r is 14 and multiply by L, plus the value of pi is 22 by 7 and the value of r is 14, that is 1/4 square. So after simplification you will get 43.98 L plus 615.83 and 1012. So we need the value of L. So shift this side, minus 615.83. so we need the value of L. So you should divide by 43.98. so after subtracting you will get 396.168. so the value of L is 9 centimeters. So that is your slant height. So coming to the question number 9. Question number 9. A cone has a circular base of radius 6 millimeter. Okay, 6 millimeter, that is radius is equal to 6 millimeter, and curved surface area of 84 pi millimeter square. Curved surface area. So curved surface area is equal to 84 pi. And we have to find the height of the cone, slant height, that is L. We have to find this. Since we have a formula, that is curved surface area is equal to curved surface area is equal to pi RL. It is given to us, that is curved surface area is 84 pi and the value of pi and the value of R is 6, and we have to find L. This pi will be cancelled with each other, that is this pi will be cancelled with this. So you will get 6L, 84 we need L, 84 divided by 6. So the slant height is 14 millimeter. So that is your required result. Coming to the question number 10. Question number 10. An open cone has a slant height 5 centimeter. So it means L is 5 centimeter. And radius of base R we have to find. So the surface area is 251 centimeters square. So that is your curved surface area. Curved surface area is equal to 251 centimeters square. Find the radius R in correct to 3 significant figure. Your answer is okay. Since we have a formula, that is curved surface area is equal to pi RL. So the curved surface area is given, that is 251. So you have to put the values here. The value of pi is 22 by 7 and the value of R we have to find, and slant height is 5. So you can write as 251 multiply by 7 and 5 2s are 10 and 5 2s are 10, 11, but we need the value of R. 251 multiplied by 7 divided by 110. So the value of R is equal to, after simplification you will get that is 15.977, but we need up to 3 significant figure because it has been asked in your question. So up to 3 significant figure, after rounding off it will give you 16.0 centimeters. So that is your required result. By the grace of God, we have completed part number 1 of exercise 7B. I hope that it will be helpful to you. So thanks a lot. Thank you for watching.